What happens when humans are left without laws, rules, or society? Philosophers have imagined this is the state of nature. Hobbes believed that without rules, humans are driven by self-interest and fear. Life becomes just chaotic, dangerous, and very violent. Here's a different group. They split, calmly sharing food and building a shelter together. John Locke argued that humans are generally reasonable and moral. Even in the wild, people can cooperate and create great agreements to survive, doing everything they need to do to survive as a whole community, sharing food and helping build shelters. You have another group. As they explore, they're gathering fruit and just enjoying nature, no conflict. Jacques Rousseau believed humans are naturally peaceful. Society corrupts us, but alone in nature, humans could live in harmony. As you can see, there are two perspectives here. On the left, we have Locke, which is cooperative, and then peaceful harmony. And then on the right side, we have Hobbes, which is chaos and fighting. The state of nature shows us the extremes of human behavior. Without society, people reveal their instincts. Some violent, some people are cooperative, some are even peaceful. Philosophers differ, but all agree society shapes our actions.
Have you ever loved? Would you go again? Don't be down when it's over, baby, yeah. I'll be